You need help?
Yeah. Just my shoulder.
You need help getting Monkey out of your stroller? Here.
Mister. Gross!
What is it? It's just a piece of lint.
No, I don't like lint.
I don't like lint either. What are you doing, Ruby?
He's pouring my water. He wants to sit down when you want to go to your bed. He needs a pillow.
Who needs a pillow?
Monkey wants a pillow.
Okay, I'll take care of the pillow. What are you doing over here in the sink? What are you doing in the sink?
I want to pick.
No, finish what you were doing in the sink.
The kitchen is one
Finish what you were doing.
and two. I think it.
What are you doing?
That's not a pillow.
You're unveiling all of our mess. We just had
I
guests
have
over,
it on my backpack.
and they stayed in the room.
I gotta see my backpack.
Are you gonna put on your backpack?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see my backpack?
I see your backpack.
See backpack.
Backpack, backpack.
And backpack.
Mhm. Mhm.
I need my box. Let's see. Scissors. No scissors. I need scissors. I need scissors.
Those are pliers.
That's not pliers.
Yes, it is.
It's scissors.
Okay, fine. It's scissors.
To cut the house.
To
They cut the house.
cut the house.
Another block. Another block. Put it.
Oh, a block. Another block. You want to put it back inside the bag?
Yeah.
Okay, open it up.
I got say backpack. Say backpack. Say backpack.
Backpack, backpack.
Arr.
The backpack is going to give you magic string to open up the zipper.
Yeah.
Oh, you okay?
I'm not okay.
You're not okay. The block might fit in there. Oh, no, you got it. Okay. You need to open it all the way. Oh, no.
I do it.
Good job, Ruby. Thank you for cleaning up.
Triangle says tape.
The triangle what?
The triangle.
What about it?
It's staying in my backpack. To cut scissors, I say scissors.
Scissors.
Scissors to go for monkey.
Oh, that's great. That's where we end the video.